मित्रांनो, आपल्या मराठी चॅनलवर आपलं सर स्वागत आहे. ज्याचं नाव आहे तुषार मालुंकर व्लॉग. त्याला सबस्क्राइब करून आलेला बेल आयकॉनवरती क्लिक करा, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला नवीन व्हिडिओचे अपडेट मिळतील.
Take me where you go when the sun goes down, like a lightning bolt. We will make a sound out in the dark where no one sees us. The electricity between us. Out of bounds, I can only be free. Out of bounds, if you're waiting for me. Out of bounds. When the sun goes down, like a lightning
back. Okay. So now see, अभी क्या बताया मैंने? The 3 climbers they are moving. Okay, the chances of fall is for the maximum for the first person. Now the condition of the climbers. Okay. Okay, now he's okay. He's conscious, right? He had a fall on a crevasse. Okay, so we have 3 methods. One is called I method, C method, C pulley system, and the third one is Z. I mean now number 1, he's okay now in this situation. Right? अभी क्या है वो ठीक है तो थोड़ा नीचे आ जाए. Now see, all 3 climbers are okay. So first climber he had a fall, right? But still conscious, so they can communicate. So he's the first climber.